In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view old emails in Outlook and help you locate where your old emails are stored within the platform. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to easily retrieve those emails you're looking for. First, open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you are on the main page, you'll need to click on the Sign In button to begin accessing your account. This will direct you to the Sign In page where you'll be required to enter your login details. Make sure you have your credentials ready and type them in carefully to avoid any mishaps. Once you've filled in your details, simply click on Next to proceed. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your Outlook dashboard. Now we need to locate the search bar, which is typically found in the top corner of the screen. This is a powerful tool that will assist you in finding the emails you're after. If you'd like to refine your search, there's a handy drop-down menu adjacent to the search bar. You can toggle this to specify the designated folders where you might have stored your emails, such as the sent, drafts, or other custom folders you might have created. This can make your search more targeted and efficient. However, if you're aiming for a faster search experience, especially if you have a rough idea of what you're looking for, you can simply type the keyword or file name directly into the search bar. For example, if you remember a specific email subject or a unique phrase within that email, go ahead and use those as your search terms. For those looking for older emails, you can enhance your search by adding the date and time. This additional information acts as a filter, allowing Outlook to narrow down the results to those around the specified period. It's particularly helpful when dealing with a large volume of emails. Now, once you've input your search criteria and hit enter, give it a moment to process. Your results should then populate the screen. Take some time to go through these, ensuring the email you need is among them. If, for some reason, you have difficulty locating your desired emails, consider adjusting your search terms slightly or using different criteria such as varying the date range or checking another folder. And there you have it, an easy guide to uncovering those old emails in your Outlook account. Remember, with careful use of the search bar and filters, you can efficiently manage and retrieve your emails without hassle. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now more confident in navigating through your Outlook for those elusive past emails. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.